This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Sandy Southwell. Brand new roof just completed. Gorgeous concrete block home in beautiful Cypress Woods neighborhood. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. Open floor plan with screened-in porch. Private fenced-in backyard, sprinkler system and new exterior paint. Split bedroom plan with private bath and primary suite. Don't miss this affordable home. Ready for new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandy Southwell at 321-544-4641.